Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghosts angry in Phasmophobia. To effectively provoke a ghost, first identify its type. This helps predict its behavior. Next, strategically use items like the Ouija board or spirit box. Remember, a lower average sanity level across the team significantly increases the ghost's aggression, making it more likely to hunt. This guide will help you master these techniques for thrilling gameplay. Provoking a ghost involves several key techniques. Repeatedly saying the ghost's name, especially when it's nearby, often triggers a response. Throwing objects in its vicinity can also draw its attention and increase activity. For a more direct approach, use the Ouija board, but be aware this drains your sanity quickly. These actions are designed to escalate the ghost's anger, leading to more intense interactions. While angering ghosts can be fun, it comes with significant risks. Increased ghost activity directly leads to more frequent and dangerous hunts. Your sanity levels will drop rapidly, making you more susceptible to ghost events and hunts. Always have a clear escape plan and know where your hiding spots are before you start provoking. Safety first, even when seeking thrills. For advanced ghost interaction, strategically using cursed possessions like the music box or tarot cards can dramatically increase ghost activity, but at a high cost to sanity. Aim to keep your team's average sanity below 50% to ensure maximum ghost aggression and interaction. This creates a truly terrifying experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your real-life space spotless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.